think I should be. And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. So bitch, don't hang your shit on me. It's human nature. You wouldn't let me say the words I long to say. You didn't want to see life through my eyes.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
You tried to shove me back inside your narrow room and silence me with bitterness and lies.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know I could talk about sex. Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know I could speak my mind. And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me.
You punish me for telling you my fantasies. I'm breaking all the rules I didn't make.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
You took my words and made a trap for silly fools. You held me down and tried to make me break.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know I could talk about sex.
I must have been crazy.
Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know I could talk about you.
What was I thinking?
'Cause I'm not sorry.
I'm not sorry.
It's human nature.
It's human nature.
No, I'm not sorry.
I'm not sorry.
So bitch, don't hang your shit on me. It's human nature.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself. 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 Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Did I say something true? Oops, hey Britney, I have a point of view. Did I say something wrong? Or did we stay too long? 'Cause we're not sorry. Fuck you! It's human nature. It's fuck you again! No, we're not sorry. So bitch, don't hang your shit on me. It's human nature. I'm not your bitch. She's not your bitch.
It's Britney, bitch.
Hang your shit